Here's my 1983 BJ42. It's restored. It's got the 3B diesel engine. Ground up restoration. It's got the old man Emu suspension. The ARB front bumper. It's got 33-inch tires on it, Nicky Thompson rubber and Nicky Thompson rims. The Safari snorkel. We pretty much wanted to leave it stock except for a few items. We got the Safari snorkel, as I mentioned, the oversized tires. We went to the Toyota Tacoma Speedway Blue on this unit. We just wanted to use a little more current blue than what the original paint is, so it's got that beautiful metallic Speedway Blue paint on it. We used all Toyota OME parts. We didn't want to cheap out on any parts. Also, there's no rust at all. Anything that was rusted is new rear quarter panels. We changed the flooring on the unit, all metal. It's all new badges, stainless steel, new lights, new badges. And she's a beautiful looking truck now. All new upholstery inside. The truck is basically brand spanking new. We went to stainless steel door hinges and heavy duty hinges on the roof. We wanted to use some chrome and stainless steel on it, but we didn't want to go overboard and get it tacky looking, so we think it's just right the way it is. The new exhaust system is great sound and diesel engine. And the bodywork appears to be no flaws at all that we can see. It's really nice, clean and straight. The rooftop, we went to a Toyota newer paint. We went to a Toyota Pearl White. It's also got metallic. Just gives it that extra kick in the pants when it comes to looks. The doors, I got 2 new doors, or they were used doors, but they were from California, rust-free. All the doors and hardware open and close just like new now. Everything's nice, square, and perfect. So that's my 1983 BJ42. This is Canadian model. There was only 160, 70 of these imported into Canada. So it is a left-hand drive. And it's a beautiful looking truck.
1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. Put your glad rags on, join me, hun. Have some fun when the clock strikes 1. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till broad daylight. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. When the clock strikes 2, 3, and 4, if the band slows down, we'll yell for more. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till broad daylight. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. 9, 10, 11, 2, I'll be going strong, and so will you. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till bright daylight. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till bright daylight. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight.
question.